Welcome to your Dream In Property Owners portal. In this video, we'll guide you through accessing your portal, viewing reports, and managing your booking calendar. Let's get started. To access your portal, simply click the link you received via email. This will direct you to the login page. To reset your password, go to the login page and click on Forgot Your Password. Enter your email address and click Send Reset Link. Next, check your email inbox for a message with the subject Reset Your Password. Open the email and click on the Reset My Password button. Once the reset page opens, enter your new password and confirm it. Then click Save. You've successfully reset your password. After setting your new password, log in with your email and password. Welcome to your owner portal. Here's your dashboard. On this page, you'll see an overview of your property performance, upcoming bookings, and revenue reports. To view detailed reports, click on the Reports tab. Here, you can see a breakdown of your property revenue per booking. Please note, this amount does not include the management fee and utilities. To check upcoming and past bookings, head to the Multi-Calendar tab. This gives you a complete overview of your property's availability and confirmed bookings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our team is always here to help. You can reach us via the provided email or phone number. Thank you for trusting Dream In Holiday Homes with your property.